comes some parasailers. Gliders, whatever you call them. That looks fun. Another one. Looks fun. Welcome to Crevalle, Florida 11. Stanley behind me. Stanley! What's up? Stanley! Stanley's here today, y'all. We're in Northeast Florida. Y'all know the routine. We're using fresh dead shrimp, fish gum, fish bites, and maybe some cut bait later. Going after whiting. I'm gonna see if there's some pompano out there. Redfish, black drum, and whatever else we can catch. We'll be back at you. Check it out, y'all. Big old red. I knew something was up. My line went slack. Oh, he's a keeper too. Check him out. Whoa, pretty spots. Be still, fella. I'm measuring to make sure, but that's a keeper. Nice red. Ooh, yeah. This bad boy's 24 and a half. Nice, nice, nice. Check him out. Look at him. Got a little whiting we're going to use as bait. He swallowed that hook. Running. He's running down the beach. I don't know what it was. I think it was a big old stingray. I had the feeling I was gonna snap my line. I was trying to get a look at it, and it looked like a stingray. That was fun. All right, I think that was a stingray that I just hooked into. I knew when I grabbed my pole and started pulling on it, I had a 50-50 chance of snapping the line. And then I saw a long tail on it, and it was flapping. So it was just a big old it was a big old stingray. So, hey, I almost landed it, but it's gone. That hook will rust out. He'll shake it one. But usually they dig in, but this one just it ran down the side of the beach. And like I said, I was gonna land it. And at first I was like, maybe it's a tarpon. But after I got closer to it, I started pulling on it, and I'm like, okay, my line's gonna snap, but I gotta see what it is. And like I said, it was I saw the wings flapping, a long tail on it, so, and it was kind of rolling. So it was a big old stingray. That was fun, man. That's the longest. Got a little pan fryer. It's 10 inches. Oh yeah, it's that time again. Well, so far I've caught a nice redfish, a couple of whiting, and a big old stingray. That worked me out there for a minute. It was a big boy. As you can see, tide's coming up. I'm fixing to have to move. I got a bite. A little pompano. Hey, we're gonna try some of this Jules catfish bait. That's some stinky stuff, man. Woo! God, smells rotten. Just see what happens out here in the surf. Man, this stuff stinks. Ain't no telling what that's gonna draw up. Probably too much. Woo! We're gonna give that a shot. See what happens. Getting a hit. See what we got. White. Nice little whitey. Nice one. Maybe about 13 inches. He's right at 13. Got a pompano. He's undersized. Somebody got tail hook. Yeah, throw him back. It's 10 inches. There's that catfish bait, what's left. I don't know if you can see the minnows on it, the little fish. Well, it's been a pretty good day. A bunch of little minnows. Might just sit there and film a minute. Whoops. Check out that whitey. Another big boy. Woo, yeah. He's 13 and a half. Nice little ladyfish. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Trail Florida living. Nice day today. A lot of action. I'm taking home a few nice whiting, some nice 12, 13 inch. I think a 10, 3 or 4, and I got that nice redfish. Hooked into a nice stingray, followed it for a minute. Caught another little stingray, landed it. And ladyfish, whiting I threw back, used for bait, pompano I threw back. It's been a nice day, a busy day. Thank y'all for watching Trail Florida Living. If anything comes up, I'll put it on here. Peace. Stanley said, I'll see y'all next time. It's hot, ain't it, buddy? That's why he's got his mouth open like that. It's hot out here, man. I think my shirt, I don't even think it's dried in the last 4 or 5 hours. Hey, buddy. I've been feeding him. I don't want to overfeed him. Hey. Stanley says, hey, buy a hat. Sailboat down there. Little minnows. Just shows you how fish do, though. That's a school of fish. That's a heap of them. They're going all the way down. They're just following this water rolling down.